Number 1. 1989 Ford F150. Price $10,000. Shows just 81,000 miles and comes in a rich burgundy exterior paired with a matching interior. Under the hood, it is powered by a dependable 5.0 LEFI V8 engine, mated to a 5-speed manual transmission, and equipped with 4x4 capability for confident performance on and off the road. The truck rides on new American Racing OE-style wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, while a BDS front leveling spring lift and fresh shocks all around enhance both stance and handling. Many new parts have recently been added, making this F-150 a solid example of an original classic that's ready to drive. Though not perfect, it still offers plenty of appeal, including factory air conditioning, which will need servicing and a recharge, a modern Bluetooth radio with upgraded speakers, as well as unique extras like a hydraulic dump bed and an air horn. Number 2. 1992 Chevrolet 1500. Price $9,900. Showing 180,000 miles with an automatic transmission, is finished in its original factory blue after a repaint about 4 years ago. It retains all original metal and bedsides, with only the cab corners replaced, and the frame was undercoat at the time of repaint. The interior features new door panels and a headliner, while the exterior has been refreshed with a new grille, headlights, marker lights, taillights, and cargo lights. Factory wheels were upgraded to 19-inch Halibrands with new tires. An updated stereo with an 8-inch sub and amp is tucked under the passenger seat. As a Silverado edition, it offers power windows, power locks, cruise control, and AC. The transmission was rebuilt prior to the current ownership with documentation, and the truck runs, drives, and starts reliably with no known issues. Number 3. 1991 Chevrolet S10. Price $10,000. Finished in black with a matching black interior, the truck runs and drives exceptionally well and has been tastefully built into a solid street machine. Originally from West Virginia, it retains a very solid, rust-free body with a spotless underbody. The truck was originally dark blue metallic and has since received its only repaint, a respectable single-stage finish that still shows a great gloss despite a few minor imperfections. It sits on brand new weld drag lights with Cooper Cobra GT tires, while the rally wheels and tires are also included. Lakewood grab bars complement the performance setup. Under the hood, it features a 355 Chevy with world product Motown heads, a Stage 1 roller cam, and a scat rotating assembly. It runs perfectly on premium fuel and is paired with a strong 350 TH transmission, a 10-bolt Posey rear with 3.73 gears, and a 10-gallon fuel cell supported by a Holley red pump. Additional upgrades include a Moroso line lock, a Northern aluminum radiator, and dual cooling fans, ensuring reliable performance. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1982 Ford F100. Price $9,450. It has been carefully maintained and thoughtfully upgraded. Recent work includes a rebuilt power steering box, a new radiator, a fresh carburetor, and a new fuel pump. It sits on Cooper Cobra tires with classic poverty caps, giving it a timeless stance. Inside, the truck features cold air conditioning and a nice stereo system, while the factory vinyl seat, though torn, is protected under a blue cover. Everything functions exactly as it should, with no rust anywhere on the body. Overall, this is a rare, well-preserved F100 where every detail works properly, making it one of the nicest survivors of its era. Number 5. 1985 Ford F150. Price $6,800. Finished in red with a matching interior, runs on gasoline and is paired with an automatic transmission. It features the factory fuel-injected 302 engine and has been lowered with DJM Dream Beams up front and a flip kit in the rear, with proper alignment for smooth driving. Recent maintenance includes a new fuel pump, water pump, brake master cylinder, and blower motor. The heater works well, while the AC system is complete but untested. Its patina was preserved years ago with a clear coat, now lifting slightly on the hood. The truck shows some dings, dents, and visible rust, but remains dependable and is driven regularly with no issues. It also comes equipped with a hitch and working trailer light wiring for added utility. Number 6. 1995 Chevrolet 1500. Price $3,700. Comes with an automatic transmission, a white exterior, and a gray interior. Powered by a 5.7L gasoline engine, it runs and drives well, with both the AC and heat in good working condition. Although the odometer shows over 300,000 miles, the engine appears to have been replaced and runs smoothly. The truck has a solid body with only minor cosmetic issues, including a cracked dash and a missing driver's side door panel. Recently, several updates have been made. On June 28, a new radiator, thermostat, coolant, and coolant hose were installed, and the registration is valid until May 2026. On July 10, a new belt and tensioner were added, the AC was repaired, and a used camper was fitted. It comes with a bonded Texas title, already registered in the owner's name. Number 7. 1996 GMC Sierra 1500. Price $8,000. This truck comes in a striking red exterior paired with a gray interior. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck has 320,000 miles on the body, but only about 1,000 miles on its newly installed Vortec 355.7L motor, making it a strong and reliable driver. It has never been wrecked and remains solid overall. A few minor issues need attention, such as the driver's side window, the driver's side door lock, and the mirror control, which could use some care. A rubber mat has been installed for practicality. The tires are nearly new, with just 1,500 miles on them. The air conditioning system currently needs Freon or may require replacement. Number 8. 1992 Chevrolet 2500. Price $4,000. It has 214,000 miles on it and is finished in a matching burgundy exterior and interior. Powered by a strong-running 350 V8 engine paired with a smooth-shifting 700R4 automatic transmission, it delivers reliable performance both on and off the road. The 4x4 system works exactly as it should, and the truck drives great overall. Everything is in working order, including the cruise control, and while the air conditioning will need a new compressor, it can still be demonstrated that the system works. Recent maintenance includes brand new all-terrain tires with less than 500 miles on them, as well as new front brakes with fresh pads and rotors. The truck also comes equipped with a receiver hitch, and all of the glass is in good condition. Number 9. 1991 Ford F250. Price $6,500. Well-kept classic that shows 99,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a brown exterior with a clean tan interior, it comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a strong 460 V8 gasoline engine. Both the engine and transmission have been rebuilt, with documentation included for peace of mind. The truck is fitted with headers, an MSD ignition system, a new alternator, and brand new tires, ensuring it runs and drives like a dream. The body is completely free of rust, the doors open and close as if new, and the interior presents beautifully with no cracks in the dash. Everything is in proper working order, and it even comes with the original owner's manual. Number 10. 1979 Chevrolet 1500. Price $5,500. It features an automatic transmission and is finished in a bold red exterior with a matching red interior, giving it a timeless and eye-catching appearance. Under the hood sits a dependable 350 to 4-bolt main engine, paired with a freshly rebuilt transmission that comes with warranty papers in the owner's name, offering peace of mind for the next driver. In addition to its strong drivetrain, the truck is equipped with power windows and power locks, making it convenient and comfortable for everyday use. Recent maintenance and upgrades include a brand new radiator, starter, fuel pump, and alternator, ensuring that this Chevy not only looks good but is also ready to perform reliably on the road.